Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a garden lasagna. So our oven is preheated to 400 degrees. We've got our saute pan here heating up with some oil in it. We also have a pot here with a little bit of milk in the bottom starting to come up to temp. The rest of the milk from the recipe is already measured out. We have our other ingredients for our white sauce there. So first things first, we're going to saute some onions. Also have some carrots. And some zucchini. We've already seasoned this with salt and pepper. We're just looking to get a little bit of color on this, the base for our lasagna. All right, now I'm going to begin on my white sauce. So I have some milk that's just simmering in the bottom of my pan here. I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour at a time. Shake it in like that. I'm going to whisk it in. I'm going to do this a little bit at a time to avoid any lumps from forming. Alright, whisk the rest of this in. The rest of our milk. Turn the heat down. All right, next thing, we have cottage cheese that we want to add. Also have Parmesan. We have nutmeg. Whisk all this together. All right, our vegetables are just about where we want them. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Set that off. Add in corn. Cover our white sauce. Stir this to incorporate the corn. All right, so at this point, our sauteed mixture has cooled enough that I'm going to go ahead and add in the basil. We'll stir it in. All right, got that together. Our white sauce is where we want it. Okay, so I am going to apply some of our sauce to the bottom of our baking dish. We have our no-bake lasagna noodles, which we're going to kind of shingle. All right, now we're going to put some of our sauteed mixture. Basically, we're just going to repeat this process in layers. Okay, go in with another layer of sauce. and spread the remaining mixture out evenly. Got more sauce. All right, so at this point, we're going to cover this with foil. We're going to bake it for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Then we're going to take the foil back off, sprinkle mozzarella over the top, and bake it for the remaining 25 minutes. All right, pop this in. All right, we'll come back in just a little bit and show you the rest. All right, we're ready to pull our lasagna from the oven. I'm gonna put our mozzarella cheese on top now. We're gonna pop this back into the oven for another 25 minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our lasagna from the oven. All right, got the cheese nice and melted on top. So at this point, all that's left to do is to plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a few minutes.